Mother Nature. Who wouldn't want to keep the environment healthy and intact, even at the age of industrial boom? This goal could hardly be achieved without water treatment plants and environment-saving forestry technologies. Moravské Budějovice, an historical town built around a Moravian market community as early as in the 13th century, a town of rich traditions and an important historical role of our country. However, Moravské Budějovice has also shared in the industrial advance of the past decades and centuries. Over the past decades, Moravské Budějovice has been the seat of one of the major producers of water conservation and timber processing technologies. KPS Moravské Budějovice. Everything starts here at KPS Design Bureau in Moravské Budějovice. Here, designer experience translates into products and equipment. Static computations and mathematical models are created with the use of computers. Effectivity and quality of production depends not only on workable designs, but also on correct warehouse techniques. One type of product are ozone purifiers for drinking water treatment. 3 such systems operate at the Bedřichov water conservation plants in the Jizerské mountains. Per unit capacity is 300 cubic meters of drinking water. High quality operation and high reliability are only 2 of the many reasons why these systems are used all over Czechoslovakia. Air dryers are vital technological components of ozone water purifiers. The dryers, similarly as complete units, are available in several types of different capacity. KPS utilizes numerically controlled machining centers to increase the flexibility and effectivity of production of even the most sophisticated component parts of timber processing machines. Their assembly and completion requires experience, skill and professional routine on the part of the firm's experts. One of the technologies enabling one to fully utilize timber is the vertical veneer slicer. It cuts quality thin veneers for further processing. All machining operations at KPS Moravské Budějovice are computer controlled. Besides that, the computer also looks after the plant's economic affairs. That includes the handling of materials in the shops, for instance, in the manufacture of filtration plants. Filtration plants are utilized in the auto industry and related services. Filtration plants, progressive technologies using floating filter beds, are compact in their size, yet they are highly effective in treating technological water. High precision in machining parts of timber processing technologies is a priority at Moravské Budějovice. Modern production technologies help manufacture products of desired quality. Electronic shears cutting veneer for the furniture-making industry are one of the results of the application of KPS precision manufacturing techniques. The system is equipped with a built-in knife sharpener, which keeps the blade in mint condition all the time. Moravské Budějovice builds reservoir tanks and containers for water conservation and petrochemical purposes. Their bottoms and other vital parts are forged by a hydraulic press under the pressure of 650 tons. Tanks and containers are vital for a range of systems, such as air dryers used in long-distance gas pipelines, where they are incorporated into compressed air plants. They help to secure the required quality of air, its humidity, and other parameters needed for the drives of pneumatic valves. Giant castings and weldments forming the frames of timber processing systems are worked at KPS Moravské Budějovice with the use of a range of machine tools, for instance a horizontal milling cutter. Those machine parts which are exposed to high workloads are hardened by tempering to ensure their long service life and high quality. One such advanced product is the RZ71 frame saw with high cutting speed, which excels in operational reliability and provision for the application of advanced mechanical systems. frame saw consists of a lead system and a frame carriage equipped with a pulling, clamping and turning device of company design. KPS also manufactures environment-saving technologies. This planer is one of a range of machines used in the pre-production treatment of materials. Sewage treatment plants are put together in assembly shops. Here they are equipped with everything necessary for trouble-free operation under any conditions. The same applies to sewage treatment plants with oxidation ditches. In this type of plant, oxidation drums will clarify the sewage by aeration. This will help to treat the contaminated water. Low power consumption, reliability and high efficiency. Those are the main assets of these systems. KPS, input material is supplied and manufactured parts and semi-products are dispatched from and to a computer-controlled automatic rack store. The effort to make the most of the timber material is quite evident also in the manufacture of edging chippers. This machine with a 1255mm cutting disc works sawmill waste into 30mm chips. Belt conveyor, remote control and noise shelters. All this creates good working conditions for the personnel. Welding, grinding and other forms of material treatment in the manufacture of key systems ranks among the basic technological procedures used in the production of many types of equipment at KPS. Surface treatment of sewage plants has its value, both aesthetic and protective. One of the results of cooperation with the Chemical Systems Research Institute in Brno is the prototype of a circular biological sewage treatment plant with a capacity of 50 cubic meters. The desired treatment is achieved in the system of sludge tanks. Biological treatment plants utilize aerobic microorganisms. This is one of the community sewage plants which help upgrade our living environment. It was built at KPS Moravské Budějovice. Indeed, KPS is an environment-conscious operation. That's why they keep pace with research and development in the engineering sphere. That's why the whole company is being constantly expanded and modernized.